Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Fort Payne local and long-distance movers near me. Are you relocating to a new destination and you need a cheap Fort Payne moving company? 3 Movers offers the best local and long-distance moving services for all your needs. Our movers are experienced, skilled, dedicated, and licensed professionals who perform all tasks, including packing and moving, to deliver the best value for money. We have worked with many homeowners, veterans, renters, business owners, and students. Apart from loading, transportation, and unloading, our experts offer many other moving solutions, including packing services. Use our packing services to save you time and energy. Our professionals will perform both packing and unpacking to help make your move easier. Moving supplies. We offer a wide variety of moving supplies to make packing easier if you plan to do it yourself. An on-time move. We will never make you worry about unwanted delays or cancellations. Hiring us means you get a team that shows up at the scheduled time ready to work. Upfront pricing. Our experts will offer a transparent quote to let you know the price in advance. Your possessions will be safe with us throughout the